Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a topic to your TikTok live. As you can see, this one is the PC version. This is the live studio one. So to add a topic, select go live first. Then under topic here, you're going to select choose. You're going to select a topic, for instance, gaming, and you're going to type in the game, or maybe it's here already. So for instance, Roblox. Then you're just going to go live and it's going to be automatically saved. And that's how you can select a topic on TikTok Live. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.